Next one is this. PP. It's the robotic vacuum cleaner. So let's see. Let me open it up. All right. So this thing came in this box in another box. Okay. Anyway, this is the ILIFE robot vacuum cleaner. It works as a vacuum and a mop. Right. I think this is this is the most upgraded model for iLife. And I'm about to test this thing. See if it really does what it says. So the feature here says, yeah, it has multiple cleaning modes. There's a water tank. And, ooh, look, automatically docks and charges. So I'd like to see that. Anyway, about to open it. Everything is still sealed. So, of course, if the seal is broken, that means it's not new. So I'm going to try to break that seal. Okay. If I could. Break it. Come on. Okay. Okay. Done. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Chin. Feel like I'm opening a brand new laptop. So, ooh, I got the white gold one. You know we like gold. Okay, it's model V5s Pro. Okay, well, so this thing oh, okay, this is the water tank. Then this might just be the, oh yeah, okay, it comes with the dock. So let me take out this thing first. The actual, ooh, it's quite heavy. And then that's the dock, charging dock. And these are the sweepers. So I need to assemble it first. Oh, the mop. It comes with batteries. Nice. Ah, looks familiar. Oh, in the hair coloring box kit. Same thing. Perhaps to clean the bristles with any leftover residues or hair, most likely. Because me got a kitty, and she is the reason why I got this. Because number one, I'm lazy to clean and vacuum every day. So this will definitely help. Okay. This comes with a charger. Oh. And what is this? Ooh, okay. This is a vacuum filter. All right, let me set it up and come back. All right, so I have everything out. Actually, these are all extras because I just found out that there's already a mop, a cloth mop attached to the mopping attachment, which is under here, right? This is the docking charger and the cord for it. This is the vacuum itself. I haven't taken this off yet. I'm gonna try to charge it first. And then it comes with a tank. Took it off its wrapper. This acts as the storage for the dust collected and oh wait, no. I guess the mop, this is with the mop, and there should be another tank inside that is responsible for collecting the dust. Okay, which I haven't opened it yet. I'm trying to figure out how. And comes with a pair of AAAs. This would be the extra mop. It has a remote control. These are 2 extra sweepers, which this apparently already has one. Let me just put this upside down just so you can see. Comes with the rollers, and this actually says to pull out in case some furs, hair, and whatever dust and debris gets stuck in, and you can clean it. I tried to pull it out earlier. Took it out, and it's easy to put back in. It snaps on. So yeah, and then this will be the filter and hair color applicator, and it comes with a manual, the user manual. I have to read that. I'm too lazy. This is the water tank operation guide, so FYI. And this is a list of all customer service contact centers. Oh yeah, and warranty. And that's probably the number I'll dial in case I needed something, because we are in the UAE. Then this is the quick start guide. Okay, well, need to charge it first before I can start using it, of course. Let's see. Yeah, okay, well, that's all in different languages. This is the only thing I need to read. Okay. Right. So, this is how the bottom looks like. Okay. Right and left. Hey. Oh, excuse me? Honey, move. Okay. Oh, okay. That's the on and off switch. Ooh. Okay. Well, I guess I still need to charge it completely for using, which I'm going to do. There it goes. Hey, come back. You need to charge. Okay, well. I got the remote. No, hold on. Let me see. Oh dear. Okay, press the home with a charging thingy. Press. Why you no work? Why you no work? Okay, well, it's moving. It's moving. It's coming back, PP, to charge. Leave it alone. Look at my scaredy cat. Ooh. Okay, shoot. Okay, I'm officially in love with this thing. I rate it 9.5 out of 10. Because I'm so amazed. Anyway, I'll post up some updates later how it goes with the function of the mop as well. And look at my cat. She's so excited. Well, no, I am more excited.